important concepts of the topic food, and that is the components of food. Basically, food is the basic necessity of life. That means we cannot imagine our life without food. And food helps us to do various types of activities like studying, playing, even sleeping. So various types of activities can be done only if we take food. Now when we are discussing the components of food, we are discussing the various nutrients that are found in food. So all these components are actually the nutrients that are available in the food, and every person should take the equal amounts of all these nutrients. Now when we are discussing the different types of foods or the basic components of food, it comes under three categories. So we have food, and food comes into three categories. That means first we have the bodybuilding food, and the next we have energy giving food, and the third category is that we have the protective food. So basically in the bodybuilding food, it includes those types of nutrients that help in the proper growth and development of our body. That means it helps to multiply the cells. It also helps to make our body strong and immune. That means some of the diseases, it prevents the diseases to come into our body. So that is actually the bodybuilding food. So basically in the bodybuilding food we have the proteins. So we can say proteins are the bodybuilding component or the bodybuilding food. Now in proteins, generally proteins is obtained from the milk, meat, pulses and fish. Fish is the most cheapest and the readily available food item which contains lot of protein. So fish is the natural source of protein. Then we have the energy giving food. Basically those type of food which gives us energy to do the activities of the day, that means to walk, to jog, or we can say to study. So we need energy for those activities, and such type of energy is generally we get from the fats and carbohydrate. So we can say that fats and carbohydrate are the energy giving food. Basically fats are found in oil, butter and curd. They contain the fats, and carbohydrates are basically found in sugars, jaggery. Jaggery is basically, in Hindi we say jaggery is good, and cereals. So basically these are the main food items which contain carbohydrates, and carbohydrates and fats together are known as the energy giving food. Now we have discussed the two categories of food. First was the bodybuilding food, then we have discussed the energy giving food. Third is the protective foods. Protective foods includes those items or those nutrients that prevent our body from any external disease. That means it helps our body to stay strong. Now when it is helping the body to be fit and to be strong, they basically include the vitamins and the minerals. So basically vitamins and minerals are found in the green vegetables and fruits. So we should always eat fruits and vegetables. Now these were the important 5 categories or the 5 components of food. The first was the proteins, which are known as the bodybuilding food. Then we have discussed the fats, then was the carbohydrate, then we have vitamins, and then we have minerals. So out of these 5 important components, we have 2 more important components. Those are, in the 6th position we have the water. So water is also an important component of food. It basically the 70% of our body is based on water. So we cannot live without water, and it is the life sustaining part of our body. The next important component and the last component of the food is the roughage. Roughage are actually the dietary fibers which are acting as a supplement to the food. It helps in proper digestion of the food. All these nutrients or all these components will be discussed later on, each one by one in a separate video. You must view all the videos to have a brief knowledge of what are the components of food and how they are helping our body to grow and develop. So this was everything about the components of food. We have discussed, or we have listed out the 7 main important components of food. The first was protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, then water, and then roughage.